This is freaking awesome Serpentor! There you are, welcome back. Anycubic now has the Kobra Plus, and I love this because it perfectly fits within its snake-themed lineup.
Why did it have to be snakes?
Now I've shown you the Kobra, the budget-friendly, smaller machine that seems to work pretty well, and I put it through its paces. We printed feet. It has human feet. I've also showed you the Kobra Max, this behemoth that almost requires a separate room just for itself, and it can print massive things. So you've got the Kobra Max. To satisfy the middle, the Goldilocks zone, you've got the Kobra Plus. It's larger than the Kobra, but smaller than the Kobra Max. Again, Goldilocks. Specs on the machine really are similar to the Max, just a bit smaller. It's 300 on X, 300 on Y, and 350 on Z or Z. It does have a 0.4 millimeter nozzle, and it's Bowden fed, and it'll get up to 260C or so. It does have a glass bed, along with belt tensioners on X and Y. It's got dual Z lead screws, and auto leveling via nozzle touch. Now, if that all sounds familiar, it should, because those are essentially the specs of the Kobra Max. Of course, the build volume is a little bit smaller here, but you get the idea. So really, we should just be concerned with print quality at this point, and does it print well? Yes, it does. The Kobra Plus echoes the print quality of the Kobra Max. I do have some prints to show you, such as this owl. This is the owl that Anycubic includes the G-code of on the SD card, and I printed this using Anycubic PLA, and I think it turned out pretty darn good. The details are there. It is a sweet owl. I will find a small child to gift this upon.
No, I want one of those.
Next, I loaded some Matter Hackers Quantum into the machine, and I printed this. And now look, it's green on that side, blue, green, blue, green, blue. It's great filament. The machine did a fantastic job reproducing this model. This is an iPhone MagSafe stand, and it's from Cults 3D by artist Artemshokalo, and they are from Kyiv, Ukraine. Slava Ukraini. I really like this model. It's just, it looks really cool, and I'm really happy with the way the Plus was able to print this. The MagSafe connector goes in there, and the wire snakes through there. Snakes through, you get it?
How original.
And then at the end of the day, you can put your iPhone just like that. Once I put the MagSafe connector on, it'll actually charge too. I'm really happy with this, and this is going home with me. I wanted to test something that consumed the whole build plate. And so what you see on there right now is the BD1 Droid kit card model by FIXUMDUDE. FIXUMDUDE! I got that over at Printables, and I printed it out, and I haven't put it together yet, but I am jonesing to do that. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn on the overhead camera, we're gonna get this out, and we're gonna get this together. Let's do it. And just like that, we have ourselves a BD1 Droid. Look at that. Hot diggity. Oh my gosh. I love this. I absolutely love this. FIXUMDUDE. FIXUMDUDE! You did a fantastic job in this. This is printed on the Kobra Plus from Anycubic using Anycubic's PLA. And I adore this. I adore this. In celebration of this new snake, thanks to Anycubic, I went out and commissioned a brand new model. What? You know, it's funny. It's the 40th anniversary of G.I. Joe, the cartoon that we all watched in the 80s. And you know, a lot of times when we talk about this machine and this family of machines, we utilize a meme of Serpentor from G.I. Joe going Cobra la 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 la. It's about time for a Serpentor model to exist. An awesome, crazy, wonderful Serpentor model. And I reached out to Chelsea over at Chaos Core Tech. I gave her the down low. I said, here's what we need. And Chelsea was like, on it.
No problemo.
I got previews. I got some initial looks. I was like, oh, it's looking good. And Chelsea just kept saying, I just got to add some detail here. I just got to make this part look better. I got to do all this. I got to do all this. And then Chelsea, who was up for the challenge, delivered Serpentor. Right there, printed in Anycubics PLA on the Kobra Plus. And I couldn't be more thrilled. This is freaking awesome, and I love it. This is Serpentor, one of Dr. Mindbender's best creations. Let's be honest. And he is free. This model is free. I am releasing it to the world for free over at Printables.com. There'll be a link down in the description, and you can download yourself and print yourself your own Serpentor, so you, in your own home, can look at him and say, Kobra la 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 la. I wasn't done with this. I mean, I had a Kobra Plus. I could go a little bit bigger, right? Check this out. Anycubic sent over some of their rainbow PLA, and sure enough, we needed a rainbow Serpentor. I love the base. It's the Kobra logo. I love the scales. I love the cloak and the cowl and the head shape. It's just, oh, perfect. Chelsea, thank you so very much.
It's practically perfect in every way.
Come on, this is a way to celebrate a release from Anycubic, right? They wanted me to show you this, and to celebrate that, I commissioned this, and now you get this for free. Link in the description. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait for you to print Serpentor. Tag me wherever you post it. I'm at Joel Telling everywhere. It doesn't matter. But print the heck out of this model. I can't wait to see it. Links for the Kobra Plus from Anycubic will be down in the description as well. There is a special price that they're announcing a little bit later, and the first 2,000 units will go at that price. I heard it starts with the number 3, and it's 3 digits long, but normal price for this, retail after those go, is going to be $4.99 US, or at least that's what I was told. But again, current pricing information can always be found at the link for this machine in the description. If you made it this far, you're awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more, fight for a cause you believe in, Kobra la 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 la, and as always, high five.